Imagine the impossible becoming a reality. Cutting real natural stone with a laser. It's a feat that wasn't possible until now. You can now laser cut natural stone with these new ultra-thin stone veneer sheets. This stone is held in place by a polyester resin coating and crafted from metamorphic rocks, known for their durability, fine grain, and ability to split into precise thin sheets. These features give the stone sheets durability and flexibility. They are also heat-resistant, eco-friendly, and have outdoor UV stability.
Hey everyone, I'm Laser Dave. Today, I'm excited to demonstrate something that was once thought impossible: cutting real stone with a laser. But thanks to new methods and cutting-edge technology, we can now laser cut real stone from ultra-thin veneer sheets. In this deep dive, I'll show you just how easy it is to push the boundaries of laser processing, unlocking stunning, high-precision applications, and exploring new possibilities.
This revolutionary material comes in many choices: blackline, golden, California green, copper, and autumn, courtesy of StoneLite Designs. Check out the link in the description or scan this QR code to order. There are two thicknesses, a thicker textured version and a very thin, smooth-surfaced, fabric-backed version that I will show later in this video. The thicker stone material shown here is highly durable and notable for its texture. Cutting this material is easy. Choose or design a laser cut file, place it into the laser, and cut it like any other material. Laser parameters for the thicker textured sheets with an 80-watt laser, shown in this example, run at 100% power. Depending on the texture, speed settings may vary with a speed range of 0.5% to 1% cutting speeds and 1000 Hz. Additionally, due to the texture, multiple passes may be necessary in some examples, as this is a natural material. As this is a stone veneer, Inlay is a perfect application. I will engrave the matching black-filled design file into a sheet of maple wood to the depth of this stone veneer and then cut it into the shape of a coaster. Now take the sheet of laser-cut stone veneer, apply glue to the engraving, and place the veneer into it. Use a roller to press it down firmly. In this example, I've also applied a UV resin glaze for a stunning finish, creating a maple wood coaster with a natural stone inlay and a resin flood coat. Inlaid stone signage, like the example shown here, is another highly profitable, unique, and easy-to-process application for this material. This cherry wood sign features engraved and cut lettering filled with laser-cut stone veneer, demonstrating the impressive results that can be achieved. Another exciting application is creating dimensional signage by adhering stone veneer to a material like MDF using contact cement. In this example, I used a 120-watt laser to cut through the stone veneer and a 1/4 inch or 6 mm MDF wood sheeting, producing dimensional lettering with a natural stone face. Alternatively, with lower wattage lasers, the stone and wood can be laser cut separately and then combined with glue or double-sided tape. Once cut out, you can place the dimensional lettering onto the desired surface to create striking, real stone face signage. In addition to the thicker textured stone veneer, StoneLite offers a much thinner, smooth-surfaced, fabric-backed natural stone sheeting that can even be cut with a 10-watt laser. This material is highly flexible and durable. The cutting parameters for this thin stone veneer using an 80-watt laser are 100% power, 8% speed, or 3.2 inches per second at 3000 Hz. As you can see here, this material cuts extremely fast with incredible precision and quality. Even after cutting, the finished laser cut sheet remains highly flexible and durable. This thin material opens up a world of exciting possibilities. In this example, I used double-sided tape to adhere the thin, fabric-backed stone veneer to a sheet of Trotec metallic plastic for added thickness and stability. Then, I used the laser to cut through both layers at once. After laser cutting, I have created authentic natural stone face jewelry, just one of the many stunning applications this versatile material can achieve. Here's a stunning laser-cut post-it note box for your desk, featuring MDF wood with a veneer stone face on one side and thin cork on the other, a perfect blend of style and function. In addition to cutting, this material can also be engraved, though some types yield better results than others. Here's an example of a design file engraved onto all the various stone veneers. After testing with an 80-watt laser, the optimal settings were found to be 75% power, 100% speed at 140 inches per second, and 333 dpi. Running this laser with a lower resolution was found to produce a brighter look, but fine engraving details were challenging due to the texture and grain of the material. As shown in the final results of all 5 stone types side by side, some offered sharper details than others. The golden veneer produced the lowest contrast, while California green delivered the best results, handling finer details better than the rest.
All the links and design files from this video are in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to explore more advanced laser projects, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to share them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.